Hi guys! So currently, I am on leave, so that means no alarm, no emails to answers, to response. So now, actually, nagawa na ako ng coffee kanina. So, I'm drinking coffee now, and ito. Taka lang, ayusin ko ang paghawak. It's the Lazy Panda. So, ngayon, I'm gonna think what I'm gonna do today. Baka mag-workout muna. Like short workout lang. And then after that, tingin-tingin ng mga part-time jobs. Let's see. Like home-based lang. So, thank you for watching. That's it. Stay safe. Nakalimutan ko sabihin pala. Hindi pa ako naghilamos. So, that's my bare skin. Actually, nag-overnight mask ako last night. So, kailangan ko na mag-wash ng face. So, mamaya na lang. Tinatamad pa ako. Nagko-coffee pa ako. So, tune in guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga skincare na ginagamit ko. It's simple lang naman. My morning skincare routine. Okay? And the brands are there also. So, ayun lang.